guys, and good morning from this very picturesque town of Manali. Picturesque. My bad. My English is very bad. Anyways, the weather in Manali is crazy good today. It's a little bit of outcast, but the weather is genuinely amazing. And me and Priyam, my
backside, hi.
he's just clicking record, but anyways.
Hi.
And yeah. So anyways, we hope the weather stays the same for tomorrow. Today is day 0 of our Hamta Pass. We are choosing this day to acclimatize so we can do the trek properly. So let's hope the weather is good tomorrow and our trek goes well. Hello and welcome to first day of Hamta Pass. We are at currently Jobra.
Side profile.
We're carrying big bags. Anyways, this is our first day. We're in Jobra right now. Traveled through a lot of curves.
And bends.
Yeah.
And now we're running out of time because हम लोग के camp पे
Yeah.
lunch खा रहे हैं and we have to rush.
Yes. And anyways, we are going to Chika today. So let's hope.
I think that.
Yeah, आज की तो easy है. I think so. Oh yeah, I see the campsite. Okay. Okay. Hello, we are in Chika right now.
पहुँच गए
1.5 घंटा पहले पहुंचे थे हम. सबसे पहले पहुंचे थे हम. And then we rested for a while, then had chai.
Ran up that waterfall.
Yeah.
It's right there.
To acclimatize properly, we went up thoda to take some pictures and see the waterfall.
Gorgeous.
And the weather here is amazing. The views are so dramatic. Dramatic.
अच्छा.
I mean, some parts of the trek were dramatic. Again, this is not an easy trek. People might say this is an easy to moderate trek, but it's moderate for fit people.
Yeah. Which we are not.
Yeah. So if you're planning to do Hamta Pass,
भाई कसरत करके आओ.
yeah, make sure to get fit, exercise properly, and then come. But otherwise, this trek is beautiful. I'll show you around. इसमें अभी थोड़ी देर बाद. But
Yeah, we're covered in.
yeah, we are nestled among the clouds.
Yeah.
And
Clouds, rivers.
yeah,
Pine
But-
trees.
it's amazing. It feels like I'm in a movie or
Yeah,
something.
we are at what 3,087 meters.
Yes.
3,087 meters.
Tomorrow we're gonna leave for Shiaguru.
Yeah. How
This
long
is
is that?
I think about 6 hours.
6 hours.
Yeah.
8 kilometers.
Yeah.
Okay.
So see you tomorrow. Good morning from Chika again.
Day 2.
This is day 2 of our Hamta Pass trek. And I was feeling a little under the wheel. Is that a word? Is that?
Under the wind.
Anyway, so I was kind of feeling sick in the night. Didn't have a good night of sleep.
I
Woke
did.
up flexing. Anyways, it's completely been surrounded by clouds. The Chika campsite.
And now we have to throw our lunches.
Yeah, because
They packed old fried rice.
yeah, the lunch sucks. It
Ass.
smells, yeah, it smells really bad.
Yeah.
Anyway, so today we're gonna be going to Baluka Ghera, which I think it's an 8 kilometer trek,
7 to 8 kilometers.
7 to 8 kilometer trek, and almost
500
500 meter
meters
of
of
elevation
elevation
gain.
gain.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
the trek is gonna be hard today, way harder than Chika.
And it's gonna get harder.
Yeah,
To
I can see people climbing that steep section.
And I can see people getting hidden behind the cloud that is coming down from the mountainside.
Yeah.
Okay, wow, that is pretty.
I think it's gonna rain today.
Oh, yeah, the waterfall disappearing.
Yeah. Anyways, let's hope trek today goes well and my tabet is nice. I mean, I feel better after eating.
Yeah.
I guess I was very
Energy.
hungry. Yeah, energy deficient.
And yeah, I mean, I think that's it. We need to really get our asses moving
Yeah.
to clean the lunchbox.
Okay. I'm also excited to visit Jwara Ka Dhaba.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. See you at Jwara.
Amen.
Yeah. The trail is quite steep. Priyam is struggling. I cannot see Priyam at all. I have no clue where he is. So look at the clouds covering. Over here. Jwara के ढाबे पहुंचने वाले हैं. I hope Priyam is fine because I lost him like an almost. Oh, here he is. There's Priyam. This is Jwara Ka Dhaba. We are not stopping here because we have to cross the river and the flow of the river is getting quite heavy. So we're not stopping at Jwara. But this is the famous Jwara Dhaba. This is our guide. Ago Bhaiya, amazing guy. Hello, amazing photographer. This is Priyam. Hello Priyam. Priyam is very tired.
I don't know what's up with me.
Okay, apparently so that was not Jwara Ka Dhaba.
This is.
This is Jwara Ka Dhaba. And it's amazing. Very pretty campsite or dhaba. I mean campsite bhi hai aage, but yeah. And we just crossed our first river crossing. And we are,
Gulping down on Maggie.
yeah. The water was very cold. And apparently the flow wasn't even that heavy, but
Glacial rivers might maybe hurt me.
so you need to be very fit to do this trek. So Instagram पे मत देख के आना, easy to moderate trek है. This is Jwara campsite. This is India Hikes campsite, by the way. And this is the whole Jwara region. This is the Jwara Dhaba. We're leaving for Baluka Ghera. I guess it's like 3 kilometers away. Yes, Priyam. Welcome to Baluka Ghera. After much struggle, I have finally reached here. The thing is, I was carrying a little too much stuff, so it was a little hard, especially with the steep incline. But this campsite is very pretty. It's usually surrounded by clouds. I mean, you can see in the back. If it wasn't surrounded by clouds, you could see Indrasan. Yeah, this campsite is very pretty. Also, one more tip: if you are coming to Hamta Pass, please carry very lightly, or otherwise you're gonna have a lot of trouble carrying your weight up because it's quite steep and it's full of boulders. But man, it's very pretty. I'll show you the campsite in a while. But it's very pretty, majestic. If you're planning to come here, please prepare. I'm saying it again, please prepare. First become fit and then come here. Otherwise, this trek is advertised as easy or moderate, but it's not. It's really difficult. So please keep in mind while doing that. But anyways, we are in Paluka Ghera, and this campsite is really, really pretty. And we are currently surrounded by clouds, which feels amazing, but it's rather cold because the clouds carry a lot of condensation, a lot of water. Also, the Hamta River is flowing right beside us, and it's just an amazing campsite. I just cannot describe the feeling. Yeah. Chai feels amazing, bhai, to be honest. I thought कि लगेगा नहीं ऐसा, but amazing. Look at the valley. And look at behind me. There is Mountain Darasan.
Yeah,
Amazing.
we're gonna have to climb not the mountain, but
Yeah.
the pass beneath the mountain.
Yeah. Oh, this is also this is Priyam.
Yeah, cameraman Srivastav.
Both of us are
के साथ चांद नवाब Karachi.
both of us are almost dead.
Yeah, we're struggling to
Yeah.
lift up the phone. That's how weak we are.
But like, damn, look at this.
Chai and a view.
Yeah. So we are finally pushing towards Hamta Pass. This is Priyam. This is Jagan with me. Priyam is not feeling very good. He is feeling good though. There's a lot of snow on the pass. We have to climb all the way up there. It's been raining constantly. That's why I could not record. Look at the snow. Look at the glaciers. Amazing. We are about 200 meters far from Hamta Pass. Elevation gain wise, I think we have stopped for lunch, and the whole valley is again covered with clouds.
That means we won't be able to see anything.
Yeah, you can't see anything.
Scheiße.
There's somewhere over there is Hamta Pass. Hello, we have finally reached Hamta Pass. The weather is not on our side. It's been raining constantly. I'm very tired. Complete white out हो रखा है at Hamta Pass. अभी ऊपर से आया मैं स्लाइड करके, मजा आ गया. चल, we have crossed Hamta Pass and we are now in Shia Guru.
Yeah.
We are
Look behind,
about to
look
reach Shia
behind.
Guru. Oh yeah. मजा आ गया भाई. We have officially crossed into the Spiti Valley. Amazing stuff. Shiyaguru, the prettiest among all the campsites.
And the coldest.
Yes, you can see a lot of snow-covered peaks around us. Indrasan, Diotibba and everything you can see. Hamta Peak.
Is behind you on the camera.
Yeah, it's
We can see it.
currently 7:24. We reached here at 4.
Yeah, approx.
Started at 8 a.m. Was a long hike.
8 We started before, no?
We started like 7:45.
Yeah.
Almost 8. So it took us almost 9 years.
9
years. Yeah. 9 hours. Was brutal.
12 kilometers.
Yeah. It might just sound 12 kilometers, but
12 kilometers through what?
through glaciers. 12 kilometers at 4,200 meters, and then
Yeah, no oxygen,
Yeah.
no friction to walk upon.
Yes.
Because we were walking on ice without crampons.
and the descent was
Oh my
even
God.
harder.
Wet rocks.
You know, you
Mud.
will be able to ascend pretty not easily, but like you would be able to do it, but the descent is where it
Kills
actually hits you. Yeah, kills you. Anyways, we have to go to Chatru tomorrow.
4
We're going to go to
kilometers.
Chandratal. See you in Chandratal. Good morning from Shiyaguru. The sun has finally decided to come. Otherwise, it was very cold. Sorry, it was very cold. Last night's sleep was very hard. Could not sleep at all. It was very cold. We have to cross this river. After that, it's a 4-kilometer descent to Chatru. Hello. For the first 2 days, I was very sick, so I could not trek properly, but now I can, and I love it. And look at the view. I am just behind the guides. I don't see anyone from my group, just past them. Let's go. Let's hope I can reach Chandratal fast. Very pretty. Glacier passing, quite scary, but okay. Hello and welcome to Chatru. We are at Chatru. I was the first one to reach the campsite even before the guides. I think Ago Bhaiya is here, but Goli Bhaiya is still with everyone. Still waiting for Priyam to come. But yeah, this campsite is really pretty. You can finally see some civilization. Some, I say some because there are no houses. There are only tents. I mean, there are shops and roads, but yeah, I mean, good to see roads and people after spending so much time in the mountains with just your batchmates, away from everyone. So yeah. Oh, Agube is here. So anyways, Priyam is not here, so I'm gonna wait for everyone to come, and after that we're gonna leave for Chandratal. Really excited to see Chandratal. Please don't mind the wind. It's very windy here, It's quite cold also, but luckily the sun is out. Hello from the bus.
Khatam trip.
Yeah, we're finally leaving for Manali. It was quite hard, but we did it.
Parathe kha ke.
Yes.